My name is Daron Bennett. I am CEO and co-founder of fantomGO. They say surround yourself with people smarter than yourself. And there's a lot of smart people in this room, so I'm in the right place. So what is fantomGO? fantomGO enables projects, participants, and developers to contribute to Fantom ecosystem. With a line of products, our first being a decentralized fundraising platform, our Launchpad. The reason why my co-founder and I decided to do this is because we saw a need to grow and nurture Fantom's ecosystem. But what is an ecosystem builder? An ecosystem builder is a web of interactions between community, products, networks, and systems. The products fuel the community fuels the product, the network fuels the systems. And we know during the time the bear comes, everyone gets a little nervous. Because during the bear market, tokens will be sold. And most launchpads will not survive. Projects will lose momentum. And devs will jump to other launchpads if they haven't already partnered with others. And just like Leonardo in The Revenant, the bear market will tear you apart. So what's the solution? Our solution is a self-sustainable launchpad with a line of products that fuels the engine even when projects aren't launching. A platform that protects everyone's interests, from developers to participants and innovators. Here's our products. Our Launchpad, our Bootcamp, Hustle, Academy, and Coalition. I'll go straight into Bootcamp. Our Bootcamp aims to educate and engage Web2 developers in a gamified manner where they gain a detailed understanding of Fantom's blockchain. The goal here is to create an army of devs ready to accelerate Fantom's growth. Hustle. Hustle is a recruitment tool that we use to find and recruit projects from other blockchains. And with our sales development reps and selected community participants, they educate other projects on the value of switching over to Fantom. Then it's our Academy. It's a crypto education platform that's gamified and incentivized. It's like Duolingo, but for crypto. And Coalition, which is a mission initiative that we are boots on the ground, connecting with local community members and local governments to bring the next users of Web3. So how do projects benefit? Projects benefit because we act as a decentralized Y Combinator. We help projects with processes, frameworks, and systems for growth. The problem with a lot of projects is that they have poor user experience. And with a team of our experts that are user experience experts, they will ensure that our projects will not have that problem. Also, a focus on community engagement and community growth for each project so they don't have to do it alone. How do developers benefit? Developers benefit from our participate to earn model, where they earn FTG tokens. Also, we will have leaderboards where they are ranked, and in those rankings, they'll be positioned in the best projects available. Another reason why the developers are going to benefit is because we're going to have master classes where we bring on the best of the best blockchain architects to help them further their knowledge and further Fantom's ecosystem. How does Fantom benefit? Well, we create a growth engine where we have developers, participants, and innovators, and everything in between create an ecosystem for growth. Also, again, as I stated, our focus is on user experience. So we're going to be bringing the best of the best to ensure that non-crypto natives can be onboarded. Our mission at the end of the day is to grow Fantom, and grow Fantom. That's the only thing we care about. So if you're a developer and you're building on Fantom, come speak to me, because we have advisors and participants that can take you from 0 to 100. What a time to be alive. The exchange of wealth to the hands of the people and free economy. We are focusing on building Fantom and building the future of the next generations. So let's build together. Thank you.
That was a sweet and short presentation. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
So it's nice to see other launchpads coming up. Now, we know what happened with Fantom Pad, and
Yes.
nice that Harry took over. There's also Fantom Starter.
Yes.
There is the launchpad that I am making myself, which is the Fantom Oasis.
Nice.
And there is also pre-sale money, right? And it's funny to me when people say decentralized launchpad, right? If you decentralize a launchpad, people put scams on it.
Right.
So it's curious to me when other people come to me and say that they're making a decentralized launchpad, because all launchpads initially have to be centralized with a core team of auditors and developers that can vet projects from not being rogues.
Right.
Correct me if I'm mistaken.
No, you're correct. You're correct.
How would you eventually decentralize your launchpad?
Well, our focus would be to essentially bring on the right individuals that will ensure that we are focused on ensuring that our launchpad will meet all those parameters, building out the team. So right now we have a core team of about 6 people. So we're bringing on a CTO that's going to be focused on that side of things.
Okay. Excellent. I mean, we're also looking to grow and partner, and of course, we all have the best interests of Fantom at heart.
Right.
So,
right. At the end of the day, we all want to grow Fantom.
Would love to speak to you more about this.
Likewise. Let's speak after.
Definitely. Thanks.
Thank you.
I just wanted to know, this gentleman mentioned Fantom Starter or only Fantom Oasis?
I believe he mentioned both.
Are they both your project? Is it a legitimate project? Okay, but in terms of FTM Starter?
FTM Starter does have some very large backers at the moment. I believe Sam Barak, who used to work with the foundation, is also involved. I cannot say anything positive or negative about them because as of right now, they're still nebulous, they're still unknown. I can speak for my own project and tell you that we have good people on our team and we're building very arduously for the last few months.
Okay, thank you. We'll speak to you afterwards.
Sure.
I'd like to add to that, actually. So I'm from Millennium Club DAO, and I'm from Millennium Club DAO. So we are invested in a lot of ecosystem projects on Fantom, including Fantom Oasis with my brilliant friend here. So something I can tell you about is that Fantom Starter has a lot of VC backing and major backers. So Fantom Starter went more of a traditional route because they were going multi-chain, so they wanted folks who would back them in those aspects, and they would gain more legitimacy in that aspect. Whereas Fantom Oasis has mainly started their focus with the Fantom ecosystem. So the core difference between the two being Fantom Starter is VC-backed, Fantom Oasis is Fantom community-backed. So that's a very big difference I see in the both.
And which do you think is more beneficial?
Well, Fantom Starter didn't give me a seat, so I would say this guy.
Thank you.
But honestly, time will tell. So I can't really comment on the future success of any project, apart from Fantom, of course.
Good luck.
Phantom Pump!
Thanks.
So I have one question for you as well, please.
Yes.
So are we expecting any new token anytime for this whole ecosystem you guys are building?
Can it come again?
Are we expecting a fantomGO token for the whole ecosystem you
Yes.
guys are building?
Yes.
So any details on that?
Yes, actually, within the next few weeks, we'll be able to release that information.
Wonderful. So I'll be looking forward to hearing
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Always. Just one more.
Yes.
I know that fantomGO is an extended part of the Fantom team now. So is this ecosystem project linked to that aspect as well, or those are two separate teams?
It's two separate teams.
Just confirming.
Thank you
So much.
Thank you.